Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create multiple users on OnePlus 9. So firstly, let's go into settings. Now scroll to the very bottom and go into users and accounts, multiple users, enable, add a user, add. Now create a username for this user, right? Now tap on this icon, top right corner. And now to switch in between the users, pull from the top of your screen to the bottom twice. This new icon is going to be here, so tap on it. And now now just select the user that you would like to log into. Tap on switch. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.